Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox items that I ordered from Levi's USA, and I'm presently unboxing this first item because the three items were delivered coming from two separate locations. So these two items were came from California, in Ontario, California. And the first item that I'm going to unbox is a black Western classic shirt from Levi's. And this is the first time that I was able to see a black denim. And it is 100% cotton. It has snap buttons and two pockets in front, and the size is small. And this one is made in Bangladesh. So this is my first time to have a black denim Levi's shirt, and this came from Levi's USA. It is tapered fit, and I'm going to fit it to my body for, and it has a front yoke on the shoulder and snap buttons on the pockets. On both sides, they have yoke, and at the back side also it has yoke. The flaps are pointed, and it has two snap buttons on the hem of the sleeve, on the sleeves. So this is a very nice fabric, black denim, and of course it has the red tab Levi's, and I think the weight of this fabric is 7 to 8 ounces per square yard. It looks like it has a better fit because it is tapered fit, and it can be worn as overshirt or as a shirt. Since I'm using a very thick loop-fill shirt, it looks like it is tight, but it's not. It's very comfortable as the fabric is very soft, and it is fitted to my body. The shoulder length is 17, the pit to pit is 20 inches, the waist is 19 inches, the opening is another 19 inches, and the length is 25 inches, and the sleeve length is 23 inches. Now we go to the second item, and this is a very special item because it is also my first time to see this kind of Western shirt. It is size small, and this is a unique because this is the only first time that I was able to see that they have this soft thought pocket cover, and it is snap button, and you see the very distinct sawtooth pocket flap, and it has a yoke in front and at the back, and this is also made in Bangladesh. It has three snap buttons on the hem of the sleeves, which is very different, and this is exactly a copy of the 1950s Suffolk Western shirt, and this is size small on the relaxed fit. So it has a yoke at the back, and it is very nice. The the fabric is very thin. I think this is 5 to 6 ounces per square yard, which is very nice and appropriate to use in tropical countries like in my country, the Philippines. So as you can see, it has a looser fit on my body as compared to the black Western denim shirt that I had on the first presentation. So it has 3 snap buttons on the sleeves and very, very fitting on my body. Nice. The fabric is very comfortable also and very soft. So we're going to see the third item. The third item was sent on a separate package because it came from another distribution warehouse of Levi's, and I think it came from another state. And this is the Western shirt or the Johnson work shirt in Ecru color. And this is size small. The color is very unique. It's colored Ecru. It has a shade of cream and not so white. And this is made in Sri Lanka. It does not have, this is also a relaxed fit. It is not a snap button, instead, it's the usual button. It has no yoke, and I'll try to see how it fits to my body. And as I'm unbuttoning it, I can sense that the fabric has a weight of 8 ounces per square yard. It looks like thicker than the Chambray black. By the way, the previous one that I presented to you is a Chambray fabric, and that's why it is very, very soft and very light, maybe 5 to 6 ounces per square yard. So as compared to the snap button, the buttoning of this shirt is a little bit slower. The length is longer. Maybe it is 29 inches, but the shoulder length is 17 inches. The pit to pit is 20 inches. The waist size is 20 inches. And I think the sleeve is 23.5 inches. So it is soft. It looks good as a combination of uppers with a black or dark indigo denim jeans. And so these are the 3 shirts that I ordered from Levi's. They were on sale. I think I got it for almost $150 or less than, to include the shipping and the tax. I was able to pay 9.5% tax. So with that, thank you very much for watching and have a good day.